Hello class, welcome to AIMS India's live class session. In today's class, we will be learning about expanded form and short form. First, expanded form. What is expanded form? Now, in the previous class, we have learned about place values. Understanding these place values helps in writing numbers in their expanded form. You remember what are place values, right? Place values start from ones, then next comes tens, then hundreds, and then thousands. So understanding these place values of digits in numbers helps in writing numbers in their expanded form. Now what is expanded form? Writing a number as a sum of the place values. Writing a number as a sum of the place values of its digits is known as the expanded form of the number. Okay, if we take the example of a number here, 218. Okay, let us take the example of number 218 children. Now what are they saying? Writing a number as a sum of the place values. First we have to write the place values. What is the place value of 2? 200. Then what is the place value of 1? 10. And what is the place value of 8? 8. The place value of 8 is 8. What we should do? We should write as a sum. What does sum mean? Addition. Simply add these place values. This will give us what? This will give us the expanded form of the number. I want to explain this to you with the help of a small example. You know, in art and crafts class, you might have done this thing where you take a piece of paper and fold it and draw a shape like this, and then you cut around this shape, right? After you cut around this shape, when you open that folded paper, you get so many shapes of the same pattern. See, first what we have done here, we took a piece of paper, we drew a shape, and then we cut the paper. After opening the paper's folds, we get many shapes of the same pattern, right? This is how expanded form works. We take a small number and we write it as such a big number as a sum of its place values. Okay children, understood? Expanded form is the sum of its place values. So understanding place values is very important to write expanded form. If you do not know how to write place values, go and listen our last class in which we have discussed about place values and phase values. If you know how to write the place values, writing expanded form will become very easy for you. Okay children, let us solve some examples of expanded form. The first one is 9093. 9093. What is the first number children? 9093. Now, what was expanded form? Expanded form was writing a number as the sum of its place values. Coming to the place values, see, 3 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place, 0 is at 100's place, and 9 is at 1000's place. How can this be expanded? This can be expanded as 9 thousands. 9 is in thousands place, so the place value will be 9000. 0 is in hundreds place, so the place value of 0 will be 0 hundreds. The 9 is in tens place, so the place value of 9 will be 9 tens, and 3 is in ones place. So what will the place value of 3 be? The place value of 3 will be 3 ones. After writing the place values, we have to just add them up. After writing the place values, we have to just add them up. Another way of writing this place value is like 9000s can be written as 9000. Yes or no children? 9,000s, it is written in words here. We are writing in numbers here. Plus 0 hundreds. What does 0 hundreds mean? 0 into 100 is equals to 0 into 100 is equal to 0. 0 plus 9 tenths. 9 tenths is nothing but 90. Again plus 3 ones. 3 ones is nothing but 3 ones are 3. So 9093 can be expanded as how, children? 9000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 3. We have written the place values of each digit and then added them up. Let us solve another example. Okay, the second example is 6874. What is the number, children? 6874. Now I will tell you a simple trick here. The question is 6874, right? We'll take the first digit 6. Okay, we'll take the first digit 6. Now after 6, how many digits do we have? We have 3 digits. So write 6 as 6000. After 6 we are having 3 digits. So we have placed 3 zeros here. Then keep the plus symbol. Second digit is 8. Write 8 here. After 8 we are having 2 digits, 7 and 4. How many digits are we having, children? After 8 we are having 2 digits, 7 and 4. So we keep 2 zeros here. Then keep the plus symbol. Third digit is 7. After 7 we have 1 digit, which is 1 digit. So we write 1 0. Again plus. The last digit is 4. See, the place value, the 6874 can be expanded as 6000s plus 800s plus 7 tens plus 4 ones. 6 is in thousands place, 8 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place, and 4 is in ones place. After 6 there are 3 digits, so we have kept 3 zeros. After 8 there are 2 digits, so we have kept 2 zeros. After 7 there is 1 digit, so we have kept 1 zero. After 4 there are no digits, so we simply write 4. Okay, children, understood? First we write the place values of individual digits and then add them up. Now, after expanded form comes the short form or standard form. What does short mean? Short means small. Yes or no, children? Short means small. So what is short form or standard form? The standard form or the short form of a number is given by combining the face values. By combining what, children? By combining the face values of each digit at the correct places. Do you remember face values? Face values are equal to the digit. Face value of the digit is equal to the number itself. If I am asking you to write the face value of 5, the face value will be 5 only. The face value of 6 in tens place will be 6 only. The place value of 7 in hundreds place will be 7 only. So the standard form or the short form of a number is given by what, children? Is given by combining the face values of each digit at the correct places. Now again this can be understood with the help of an example. You all know, you all might be having this subject called general knowledge. Yes or no? We have this subject called general knowledge. General knowledge is such a big word to pronounce. Yes or no? General knowledge becomes a very big word. So what do we do? From the first word general, we take the letter G and from the second word knowledge we take the letter K. We take only the first letters and call it as GK. Yes or no, children? This, instead of calling it as general knowledge, instead of calling it as such a big word, we make it into a small word which is GK. G is the first letter of general and K is the first letter of knowledge. This is called as short form here. We are writing it as a short word. Yes or no, children? Yes, we are writing it as a short word. So this is called as short form. And this can be understood as expanded form. The expanded form of GK will be general knowledge. Expanding means writing it in a bigger form. Short form or standard form means writing it in a smaller way. Now let us solve some examples of short form. First question is 500 plus 20 plus 1. Write the short form of 500 plus 20 plus 1. In short form, children, you have to be careful of one thing. Like in this short form, the first number given is 500, right? The first number given is 500. How many digits does this 500 have? 500 has 3 digits. 500 has how many digits? 500 has 3 digits. So the number which we get after writing in short form should also have 3 digits. The number we get after writing in short form should also have 3 digits. Like again, as we have done with general knowledge, we took the first letter of general, which is G, and first letter of knowledge, which is K, and put together as general GK, short form for general knowledge. In the same way, here we will take the first digit of each number. 5 from 500, 2 from 20, and 1. All together it forms what, children? 521. As I said, there are 3 digits in 500, right? 3 digits in 500, and so there should be 3 numbers in the question and 3 digits in the answer as well. Sometimes in the question you might get a question, in the exam you might get a question like this. 8,000. See here 8,000 plus 20 plus 3. Here the first number given is 8,000. What is this, children? 8,000. Now how many digits does 8,000 have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits, children? 4 digits. It has 4 digits. In the question there are only 3 terms. First term, second term and third term. There are only 3 terms. 4 minus 3, 1 term is missing. Now we have to find out which term is missing. For that we have to write the place values of the terms. Starting from the right. How do we write place values? We write place values always from the right side. 3 is in which place, children? 3 is in 1's place. Again here 20. 20 means which place value? 20 means it is in 10's place values. Again 8,000. 8,000 means 1000's place values. What is the sequence of place values normally? 1's, 10's, 100's, 1000's. Yes or no, children? 1's, 10's, 100's and 1000. In the question we are having 1's place, 10's place and 1000's place, but there is no number for 100's place. There is no number given for 100's place. Again in the first class we have learned that how do we show when there is nothing. Means there is nothing in 100's place. How do we show that? We show that using the number 0. We show that using the number 0. So the short form of 8,000 plus 20 plus 3 will be, we take the first digit of 8,000, which is 8. We do not have anything in the hundreds place, so we are writing 0 here, and then we take the first digit of 20, which is 2, and then we take the first digit of 3, which is 3. 8023. See, now the question had the first term in the question, which is 8000, had 4 digits, and the answer, which is 8023, also has how many digits? 4 digits. Yes or no, children? Hope you have understood here. First we have to check if uh, all the place values have some digits or not. If there are no digits given for some place value, we have to write 0 in that place. Like in this question, there are no number is given in hundreds place, thousands, and then we are directly having the tens. Hundreds are missing. So what we did in the answer? In the answer we wrote 0 in hundreds place. What did we do? We wrote 0 in hundreds place. What will happen if we do not write 0? Okay, what will happen if we do not write 0? What we'll do? We'll take the first digit 8, and then here we'll take 2, and then here we'll take as 3. The number will be 823. But in the question, the place value of 8 is given as 8000. The place value of 8 is given as 8000. Now what is the place value of 8 in this number? Let us check. Ones, tens, hundreds. The place value of 8 in our answer is 100, which is 800. Now the place value given in the question is 8000, which are not equal. So our answer is wrong. So we have to always check the place values and write 0 in the places where the numbers for certain place values are not given in the question. Okay children, always check the place values, and then answer should also have the same place values as given in the question, or else your answer will be wrong. The last question, the last example we'll be solving from short forms is 600. This is very simple. Here they are only given 600. In 600, let me erase this all. Yeah. In 600, they are giving only one term, which is 600. Okay. Now this is in hundreds place. We know that 6 is in hundreds place. Now what about the tens and ones place? The place values are ones, tens and hundreds. We are having the number in hundreds place, which is 6. Now what about tens and ones? We are having nothing in tens and ones place. Now what should we write for tens and ones place, children? Right, exactly. We have to write zeros for tens and ones place. What will happen if we will not write zeros and simply write 6 as the answer? If we write 6 as the answer, 6 will be in ones place and its place value will be 6. But in the question, the place value of 6 is 600. Now the place value of 6 in your answer and in the question will not match. So this will be your wrong answer. That is why you need to place zeros for tens and ones place, which will give you 6 in hundreds place. Now after doing this, the place value of 6 in your answer and in your question will be equal, and so you will get the correct answer, which is 600. Is this clear, children? For short forms, we get the short form by combining face values of the numbers given, and we have to check that the place values given in the question are the same as the place values given in the answer. Okay, please do not forget this in the exam. Always write the place values and check whether the place values are matching or not. I hope you are understanding, children. Okay, now again it's time for us to solve some examples. Just like in the previous class, everyone I ask everyone to grab a paper and a pencil. I'll give you some questions and you should solve them, okay? Everyone come on, grab a pencil and a book. Ready? Here comes the first question. Write the expanded form of 739. Come on children, write in your notes, solve this problem, write the expanded form of 739. Okay, done everyone? Okay, I'll now tell you the answer. Please check if you have got the correct answer or not. How do we write the expanded form? First, write the place values on top of the numbers, ones, tens and hundreds, and then write their place value. 7 is in hundreds place, so the place value will be 700. 3 is in tens place, so the place value will be 30. 9 is in ones place, so the place value will be 9. Now add all the place values. This will give you the expanded form. 700 plus 30 plus 9 is the correct answer, children. Whoever got this correct answer, please clap for yourselves. Very good job. You've done a great job. Okay. Others who have got the wrong answer, try the next one here. Write the expanded form of 2901. Hope you'll all get the right answer this time. Start solving, children. Solved everybody? Again, I'll tell you the answer. Please check. Write the place values on top of the number first. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, which is equal to 2000. 2 is in thousands place, so the place value will be 2000. 9 is in hundreds place, so the place value will be 900. 0 is in tens place. Place value of 0 will be 0 only. 0 into 10 is again equal to 0. So the place value will be 0 only. 1 is in ones place. So the place value will be 1. This can also be written as 2000 plus 900 plus 1. You can simply remove this 0 here. Okay, because 0 means nothing. So you can simply remove 0 and write the answer as 2000 plus 900 plus 1. Either of these are the correct answers, children. So whoever has got the correct answer, very good. Coming to the next question. Next question is of short form. Write the short form of 400 plus 60 plus 7. Start, children, start solving. It's a very easy question, right? In 400 there are 3 digits, and in the question there are 3 numbers. So we can simply write the first digits of each number, which is 4, 6, 1. 467, sorry. 4, 6, 7, which is nothing but 461. In the question 4 is in hundreds place, and in the answer as well 4 is in hundreds place. 6 is in tens place, and 6 is in tens place here as well. 7 is in ones place, 7 is in ones place. So 467 is the right answer. Now the last question for today is write the short form of 100 plus 5. Everybody write the short form of 100 plus 5. This is a little tricky, right? In the first number, which is 100, 1 is in hundreds place. So the number should have, answer should have a hundreds number in hundreds place, 1 tens place and ones place. Here 100 is in ones place, 1 is in hundreds place, 5 is in ones place. What about tens place? There is no number given in the tens place. There is no number given in the tens place. So what do you write in tens place? We should write 0 for tens place. So what will the answer be? The answer will be 105. What will the answer be? The answer will be 105. How? 5 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. See? In the question 1 is in hundreds place, in the answer as well 1 is in hundreds place, 5 is in ones place and in the answer as well 5 is in ones place. So our answer is correct, 105. Another easy way of solving this short form is you can simply add these two numbers, 100 plus 5. What will this give us? 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 and 1, 105. This is also easy, right? So whichever way you are comfortable, you can either add and get the short form or you can do it this way by filling up the place values. Okay children, hope you have understood what we have learned today. We've come to the end of class, so we'll revise what we have learned today. We have learned about expanded form. How do we get expanded form? Expanded form means writing a number as a sum of the place values of its digits. How do we get expanded number? Expanded form means writing a number as a sum of the place values of its digits. Clear children? Again, standard form or short form of a number is given by combining the face values of each digit at the correct places. Hope you'll remember what we have learned today. If you know how to do the place values correctly, you will also know how to do the expanded form and short forms correctly. Learning place values makes it easier for you to do the expanded form and short form. Okay children, before going, I'd like to tell you guys to please visit our website www.aimstoday.in, because you will get the live class schedules over there, so that you'll know when you'll be having your class tomorrow, and you'll also get the recorded videos of live sessions in case you want to hear the class again and again, and you'll also get other notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates.